and we are now here. And yeah, I have my coffee with me, and of course I cannot drive with coffee in here, so I'm going to put this camera in here with the help of this rubber. If you notice, I have this yeah, I was cut by the grater, you know, cheese grater. "25 minutes too late." Good morning. Good morning. I don't really know if the camera is focusing just in the copy or also showing my face. I'm not sure. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It is so nice. There are people there and they are smiling when I greet. It's good. Good morning. Okay, and we are now in the vicinity of my workplace. Amazing, there's so many people. Oh look, they have a cheese board with cheese, fruits. Amazing. I made this coffee, this takeaway cup. I bought it like maybe $4, 5 pieces of cup. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we're going to cross on the other side. We're just waiting for the car to go through first. Yo, in the church there are so many people. Maybe there is a wedding or something, a mass. We are day off today, and yeah, we'll just be roaming around. I have this. Hey, yesterday I went to the Filipino shop in there, but they are closed. Yeah, I keep on coming back. I didn't read the warning that they have there, and it says that they are going to open on January 22. Yeah, they maybe are in the Philippines. I am not sure. Yeah, if you remember, I still need to pay for the, you know, the things that I bought from there last time when I lost my wallet. Wow, a lot of people in the Vilsmite. Awesome. It's always good to see that people are having fun like this. Look at that. I don't know if you can see, but if you notice, most of the trees in this area are all black. That is because there was a bushfire in this area. And you know, on the other side is already a residential area, and the houses is very near to the bushfire. But you know, it was a safe bushfire that time. No one is hurt. So you know, the government, the authority, they are able to manage to destroy the fire, to stop the fire. Bannister Hotel, a luxury hotel here in Soldiers Point. I have some colleagues in my workplace that are also working in here at the same time. Yeah, on the other side it is very windy, and you'll notice that in the in the waves, but here it is very calm. Yeah, it's nice to just paddle board like that. You see those two ladies, they are just there are two more, they're just paddle boarding. There's no so much swimmer. There are many cars that are coming inside there. What they have in there? They have their fishing rod. Most of the tourists, they are in the Nelson Bay area. Yeah, this area is Soldiers Point. I am going to leave the bike there, and we're going to that restaurant. Yeah, that is the Soldiers Point Marina. I don't know if they have really restaurant, I'm not sure. Oh, they actually have a bike space there, so I'm going to get my bike and I'll put it there. This is where I am going to have my lunch. This is what I am having. This mushroom risotto. Yeah, I noticed that it looks so much of sun-dried tomato. There is another restaurant there. I don't like the sun-dried tomato that is mixed into the mushroom risotto. This is the Soldier Point Public School. This is how it looks like. It is open. I reached this place. I did end. Yeah, there is the way going there, but I don't have courage to get in there. Yeah, we are not going there. Looks dangerous because during this time, it is summer. The snakes are very common in an area like that. We're not going there. Look, there is a nice house here. Beautiful. Before that, there is no shopping mall. This is the center of the Salamander Bay. I think I was here just 2 years ago. If I am not mistaken, this area here in Salamander Bay is the industrial area, because I'm seeing a lot of buildings that looks like a factory. Yeah, we are here again. This one is the other side where the bushfire. We are now approaching the Salamander Bay Shopping Center. Yeah, we are going to unbox. I already opened this, but yeah, I basically ordered this from eBay, and this is the one. This is Anker, a power bank, 10,000 milliampere. Anker, as far as I know, is one of the best power bank company. I learned this when I was in the Philippines. There is one booth in Megatrade, no, not in Megatrade, but in Cyberzone in SM Mega Mall in the Philippines, and they are selling power bank. And I wonder that there is one power bank that can charge a MacBook. Amazing. So this is how it is. What is inside? It's a very small packaging. As you can see, it's bigger than almost, yeah, it's a small packaging. Very compact. Oh yeah, the cable, of course, just like this. Wow, this pouch is nice. It's a see-through one. Anker, America's leading USB charging brand. Faster charging with industry-leading technology. 20 million plus happy user and counting. Yeah, and now what are we going to do now is to check if this one is original, because we can't really say if something is original or not by just looking at it. We need to check online the property of the originality of this Anker power bank. To be able to know if the Anker product is original, you need to go to the website of the Anker. This one, and there is an instruction on how to know if the product is original. And it will go to the website of wixin.qq.com. That is supposed to be anker.com. This power bank that I am using now is fake. I'm not really sure, but it's actually charging.